Okay, this is quiz 3 for Alexander Hassenstab. This is question 1. So here is my code. Definition, my colored square, and I have variables t, sc, and then color 1, 2, 3, and 4. To start, I did my for loop for x in range, and then I entered in the colors there, and then test changes that color, and then moves forward, and then turns left. And she moves forward SC, which is this variable right here, 150. And this is what it looks like when the code is run. Yeah, okay. So test color X, first color was red. Here's the red portion. Test moved forward 150 and then turned left 90 degrees. At that point, test is now color 2, which is color green. Test moves forward 150 spaces and then turns left 90 degrees and repeats.